Good day guys, today I want to teach you how to do washawasha, the one we use yam flour to make. First of all, get your pepper ready, the powder one, your vegetable oil, onion and yam flour. Oh yeah, let's go guys. Now get your yam flour ready, pour little water inside it. Use that little water to mix everything together. It will change as if the washawasha is making. It will change like that. Mix it the way I'm doing it. Are you seeing it guys? As you can see, my water is already on top fire and it has already boiled. Now take a critical look at this thing. This is another example of it. We will use nail to make some holes at the bottom of it so that it will be useful for washawasha making. Now let's go guys. Now pour the mixed yam flour you have mixed, pour it inside it and cover it with sack. This is the one we have already been using. Pour it. Make sure you cover this place so that the heat will not come out. Cover it the way I'm doing it. Maybe you are wondering what I'm using to cover it like this. You take small out of that mixed yam flour, you take it and you mix it with water. That is the thing you use. After some minutes, go and open it, check it. Maybe the heat has catch it. Now once you have confirmed it has catch it, carry it down from the fire and let it cool small. Now that it has cooled small, you have to pour it inside water for washing. You have to wash it. You wash all the remaining yam flour inside it. You have to wash it. And as you can see the way I'm doing it, you have to wash it and separate it from the water again. To separate the water, I need to make it fast, so I get this kitchen sieve to separate the water from that washawasha I'm making. Now, as you can see, I've finished this separation. Now get your vegetable oil, pour small of it before you mix everything together. Add little salt. Now start the mixing again. Mix it until everything dissolves. Now once it's dissolved, pour it on top fire again. Use that sack to cover it the way we used to do it at the first stage. Now cover it again and make sure you cover all that space that the evaporation will come out. Cover everything so that the evaporation will be useful for that washawasha we are preparing. Get your ground pepper, the powder one, get it ready. After the ground pepper, your vegetable oil that you are frying with onion, get it ready, and your meat, your desired meat. Now let's go back and check it again. Maybe it has ready. Now our washawasha is ready. Guys, if this one not sweet, I go change my name. Let's go guys, let's go and eat. Meet me at the junction, the usual place. Let's go and eat washawasha. If this one not sweet, I go change my name. I've said that again. I go change my name if it's not sweet. Let's go guys.